Hi, this is Igor from Sait Digital, and today I will show you some quick one-shot live demonstration of what exactly you can do with the Sait audio conversion tool. So this is how it looks like in default. But right now we need to record few audio samples to working with. So last words. This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's exactly how my voice is sound in English. Привіт, і це тест номер 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос українською. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay, let's try to do something with this one. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tune while the city waits, pain on my hands from a midnight scene. Okay, it was not so bad, but we need to do it one more time. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits, paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Okay, so let's gonna do something with that. I hope we can fix it. So we have samples, let's process it. Right now I'm preparing the audio samples for processing. I've separated them into different types and roughly matched a singing take to the timing of a reference by cutting and stretching some parts. Once everything is aligned, we'll load the first sample into action. This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's exactly how my voice is sound in English. So let's just select one of the available models from the list and convert to hear how it sound. This is test number 1. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's exactly how my voice is sound in English.
That already sounds good, but I want more expressiveness here, so I'm adjusting the stability settings to bring out more character in the voice.
This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
Lowering the stability brings out more of the voice's expressive detail.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But instead of going all in, I'm making two versions, one calm, one more intense, and blending them in my DAW to create a dynamic transition.
This is test number 1. This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
So let's listen what we got.
This is test number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's exactly how my voice is sound in English.
I think that gives us a great result. So let's move on with the second clip. Привіт, і це тест номер 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос українською. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second clip hits us with an issue right away.
Привіт, і це тест номер 2.
The pitch is detected an octave too high at the end of the phrase because it trails off on the breath. It throws off the conversion a bit, but it's an easy fix. I just drag the segment back into place.
2. Це те, як звучить мій. І це тест номер 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос українською. Українською. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
There's also a noticeable English accent here. To fix that, I'm using the MORPHER model. It has several parameters. I select a preset in flow section and blend it in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Привіт, і це тест номер 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос українською. Як звучить мій привіт і привіт.
So that helped reshape articulation and tone. So let's listen before the fix again.
Привіт, і це тест номер 2. Це те, як звучить мій голос. Як звучить мій те, як звучить мій голос. Те, як звучить мій голос.
And after.
Те, як звучить мій голос. 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 Те, як звучить мій голос українською. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Much better. So let's save it. Now we'll switch to a female preset. To match the vocal range, I'm adjusting the global pitch parameter before conversion, then let's play it back. Привіт, і це тест номер 2.
Це те, як звучить мій голос українською. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ха-ха-ха. 2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Привіт, і це тест номер 2.
Це те, як звучить мій голос українською.
Українською. 1, 2,
3, 4,
4, 5, 6.
7.
That's done. Let's move on to the final part, and this is the Tonal Curve Shaper. The beta version of this model allows us to tune vocals without changing the voice itself and with minimal artifacts. The next segment has no commentary, is a raw, unedited recording of entire tuning process, from start to finish, using TC Shaper. You'll see how it works in real time and hear the final result. So, enjoy. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken light. Light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Broken gate. Human. Tunes while it's human tunes while the city waits. City waits. City waits. City waits. City waits. While the city waits, paint the city waits. while the city waits. City waits, city waits, city waits, city waits, the city waits. In tunes while the city waits, in tunes while the city waits, in tunes while the city waits, in tunes while the city waits. Paint on my hand. Paint on my hand, paint on my paint on my hand. Paint, paint on my paint on my paint, paint on paint on my hand, paint on my hands, paint on my paint, paint on my hands from a meat. From a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Paint on paint on my hands from a paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Paint on my paint on my paint on my lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Scene. Hands from a midnight scene. Hands from a midnight. Paint on my hand. Paint on my hand. It waits. Paint. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate. Light on a light on light on a broken gate. Human tunes while the city waits. Human tunes while the city waits. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate. Human tune while the city waits. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate. Human tunes while the city waits. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits, paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits, paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Lemon light on a broken gate. Lemon light on a broken gate, human tunes while the city waits. Human tune while the city waits. Human tunes while the city waits, paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Paint on my hands from a midnight scene. Paint